shut it down, and we can upgrade this puppy from a dual core 1.8 gigahertz to a quad core 2.2 or something processor. This is a real nice hack to upgrade the power of this, what was a RiverBed 1050, to an even more powerful do-it-yourself box. And the cool thing is, eBay. These processors are about $12 to $15 each. Once you wiggle this off, you're able to unlock the processor, the old one, put in the new processor, and reverse the process. And you're gonna more than double the horsepower of this device. Describe the process for you. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've powered it down, make sure you disconnect the power outlet. You don't want to have any power coming to this system. There you go, the power supply discharge under the airflow director. You'll see the CPU really nice copper heatsink. There's just 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You unscrew these with a Phillips head screwdriver, the 4 screws. Okay, we've got those 4 screws loosened. And I just wiggled a little bit. It pried off. These are posts, come right off. There's your processor. You can see the silver grease on top to allow for better heat transfer from the processor to the heatsink. This one will just pry off, just very delicately. Put that aside. And take our new processor. Anyhow, make sure that lever's up. Set it back in there in the same orientation. There. I was wondering why it was too soft. Close the lid, then lock it down. Good. Screw it back down, and we're all set. So here we go from a dual-core E5205 running at 1.866 gigahertz dual-core Xeon to a quad-core E5345 running at 2.33 gigahertz, effectively doubling the power of this server.